guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video I think is the most interesting video I've made so far. It's very informative, it's different, and most importantly it's very useful. Now that sales are going on, especially the Nykaa sale, so I thought I would share some tips on how to save money during the sale, because that's what the main purpose of sale is, to save money and not to waste our money. Now that Nykaa sale is going on, I'm also going to share my product recommendations which you can buy, and those products, if you buy them, will be worth your money. And also a few products which you should definitely not buy because they're actually featured on the top. So just to avoid wasting your money, I'm going to share them. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So without making this intro any longer, let's dive right into the video. Tip number 1, always check the product details. Now by product details, I'm mainly focusing on the expiry date. It's very important to check the expiry details. Always scroll down to the product details so that you know when the product is expiring. Don't just insanely look at the discount and just buy it. Make sure you dive into the details, because if I take an example of this Nykaa sale, they are selling Huda Beauty palettes, not all of them but only a few of them, at 35% discount. Now if you look at 35% discount, it's insane because nobody offers that much of discount on Huda Beauty. But the expiry date is in December 2020. So I think it's a complete waste of money, because in 5 months you can not just finish the palette. So it's always better to check the expiry date before you buy any product, especially during the sale. And also one more thing, now that we are boycotting China products, make sure you're not buying anything made in China. Try to buy more of Indian products. Tip number 2, step away from the cart. Now this is something very important. We end up adding so many things to a cart which I think we don't even need. So it's very important, after you're done adding things to your cart, just step away from it, leave it for a while, and then on coming back you will realize if you actually need those products or not. Because I think 1 hour is sufficient to realize the need of those products, and I'm sure you will end up removing a lot of products after that 1 hour. So just step away from your cart and save your money. Tip number 3, always do your research. Now that there is a sale on Nykaa doesn't mean you have to buy everything from Nykaa. There is a probability that you might get more discount on other websites. So always look on other websites and then make your purchase. Firstly, being Amazon offers great discounts on a lot of beauty products. So Amazon is something you can definitely check every time you're looking for any beauty product. Second one is Foxy. I've done a collaboration with Foxy. It's a great website and it actually has a lot of discount all the time. So you might want to check that as well. And the third one is hokmakeup.com. This website is just so great. It delivers products within I think 2 or max 3 days and offers great discount. So I will add all the 3 websites in the description box down below. Make sure you check that out and do your research and then only make your final purchase. Tip number 4, know your type. Now it's very important to analyze yourself. Now if I talk about beauty products specifically, because that's my niche, you need to know what your skin type is and what your requirements are and what your type is actually. And by type I mean what your choice is. Like for example, in this Nykaa sale, Smashbox lipsticks are really common and everybody is just suggesting everyone to buy these lipsticks. But at the end of the day, you need to decide whether you actually need it or not. Now those lipsticks I believe are not good for dusky skin tone, and also they can be worn only with makeup. You cannot wear it with bare face unless you have that beauty glass skin. And you don't have to buy all the things which are in trend or which are on sale, on discount. You need to buy what you actually need, what your type is. Tip number 5, the last one but very important, make a search list. Always have a list with you and then start searching those products instead of scrolling through the entire website. Because if you're scrolling through the entire website, you will end up adding a lot of things which you don't need, and you will actually miss out the things which you actually need. So always have a list in mind, or just write it down somewhere and then search those products and then add them to the cart instead of scrolling through the entire website. So these were all the 5 tips. Now I have 3 more extra tips for you guys which might be again very helpful. First one being, run away from freebies. And by freebies I mean for example, shop for 2000 rupees and you will get a lipstick for free. This is really stupid. Because firstly, those freebies are like completely useless. You will either get an expiry product, or you will get an old product, or you will get the least sold item. Literally nothing in this planet, I guess, is for free. So don't just, look for a freebie and then make your purchase. Always just buy what you need, and those freebies are, trust me, useless. This is my experience. I've received an expired free product, I've received an old product, and a useless product also. So these freebies are completely useless. Don't rely on them. Just make your purchase according to your need. Second tip, always add products to your wish list. Even if you're like window shopping, add products to your wish list, and during the sale time you will know if those products are on sale or are on discount. You can add them to your cart so that you don't miss out those things. Always add things to your wish list. And the last tip of the day, always have a budget. Whenever you restrict yourself to buy in a budget, you end up buying the things you actually need. So don't overspend and be in your budget. Now it's time for the product recommendations. This time I'm not buying anything from the sale because I don't think I need anything. So I just have 2 recommendations for you that I've already used, and now after the research, I think they're at great discounts and will be completely worth your money. So the first thing I have is the L'Oreal's Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Now this product is actually my favorite and it is on great discount. There are 3 variants in it. This one is the smallest one. So if you want to just try out, you can pick this variant up. And it's a skincare product. You can use it before your makeup and also before going to bed. And actually, you will see a difference in your skin after regular usage of at least 2 weeks. So you can buy this product from the sale. Next thing which I have are the makeup brushes from Wet n Wild. This is an eyeshadow brush and this is a powder brush. So both of them are from Wet n Wild and they are at great discounts. So if you're a beginner or you're just a makeup lover, you can buy these brushes. This one is at 50% discount and this is, I think, around 100 rupees, and this is also on discount basically. Both of them are really good quality, and if you're looking for brushes, you can buy these brushes. Lastly, I have 2 products which I think you should definitely not buy, and after seeing all the advertisements, these products are like on top and I think they're just a complete waste of money. First one being the Smashbox Duo. Now this is something which everyone is recommending to buy, but I think it's not that great for dusky skin tone, and also they're like mini lipsticks, 0.9 ml. I'm not sure, I will add the quantity on the screen. I think it's a complete waste of money because it will get finished in like 2-3 uses. And also I think if you are someone who doesn't wear like a full face of makeup, these lipsticks are useless. Without makeup on bare face, they will not look good. So I would say please don't buy this lipstick. Lastly being the Huda Beauty palettes. As I told you, they are selling old palettes. They will get expired in a few months and you will waste your money. So definitely don't invest in these palettes at the moment. If you want to buy these palettes, buy them like after sale or just check the expiry date before you buy them. Now this is it for today's video. I really hope you found it helpful. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed watching it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video, and keep coming back for more videos.